Mamelodi Sundowns have officially elevated 20-year-old left-back Tato Sibiya for their senior squad after the promising defender signed his first professional contract with the Betway Premiership champions. Sibiya, a standout in the DStv Diski Challenge, has garnered attention for his consistency, tireless work rate, and attacking threat from the left flank. His performances have marked him as one of the most exciting young fullbacks in South African football. Having risen through the ranks of the Sundowns Academy, Sibiya now becomes the latest talent to make the leap to senior football under head coach Miguel Cardoso. Known for his one-on-one defending, relentless energy, and precise deliveries into the final third, Sibiya has been praised by insiders as a beast on the left side, with the potential to become a cornerstone of Sundowns in the season ahead. His promotion underscores the club's continued commitment to nurturing homegrown talent. Sibiya is set to train alongside experienced campaigners such as Aubrey Modiba and Khuliso Motau as he embarks on his journey in senior level football. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.